Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I am going to show you how to save videos from UC browser directly to your gallery. On gallery, easy and simple step. First step is make sure you have already installed your UC browser app on your phone. If you are not installed, go to your Google Play Store or App Store, then install it from there. And make sure you are already logged into your UC browser account. Or if you are not logged in, that's okay. That's not the problem for the app. Then the second step is tap the upon the UC browser app on your phone. Then tap the three straight line bottom on the bottom, and here is the download option. Then click on download and tap the download button, choose video quality, start downloading, and the only step is go to download inside the UC browser and find your video file. Tap the mover and here you will see the add option. After downloading, then open your gallery app. Tap to move or copy. Select the DCIM or movie folders, and the last step is open your gallery app. Your videos will now appear there. If not visible, restart your phone or refresh gallery. Make sure storage permission is enabled and only downloads videos for personal uses. Respect copyrights, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorial. Thank you.